Good morning. This is Candace here, and I'm coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul. And I have a special guest with me. Noah's here. Okay, so I went into the Dollar Tree and I got quite a bit of things. First, we're gonna start off with the food stuff. So I got some frozen fruit. I have strawberries. Then I have blueberries. I have mixed fruit. This is strawberries and bananas. And then I have peaches. Which, this is what I make my smoothies with. So I have that. And then one of the holy grails inside of my house is garlic bread. And I bought some pancakes. See that? I bought some pancakes and I bought some waffles. Only because the kitties love them. And then in the morning I just popped them on the griddle with an egg, give them a yogurt and then fruit. And yeah, that's easy breezy. So, first things first, I went to Dollar Tree today to get my inserts. I got here at 8 a.m. Wow, Dad, we were in there for 2 hours. You heard me?
Yeah.
2 hours. So, I went into the Dollar Tree to get my inserts. We have 2 inserts today. We have the Smart Source, which has body wash and stuff. It's kind of thick. So this is a week for that. And then we have a Red Plum, which is kind of skimpy. And it has detergent in here. Detergent and deodorant and stuff like that. So make sure you come to Dollar Tree and you get your papers. You get your insert to save your coin. Okay, so I purchased this body oil because I absolutely love it, but somebody messed up with it and put oil in it. But I really love this the body oil. Like after a shower and everything, it's really like nourishing, but I feel like it's rejuvenating. Like I like it. I bought bath bombs. They were 2 in here, so that's why I got it. This one is Revive. It's rosemary and mint. Purchased a pump because we bought him a basketball. Y'all know when I did my Marshalls haul. So we bought a pump. See, Noah, you did get something. Hello? But so what? You still got something. He was a little mad because he didn't get nothing. You still got something. I'm going to put all the things that you got, that I got for you aside, okay? Number 1, the pump. And I bought some bubble bath for when I take my bath. And then inside of my dining room table, I have these candle holders, but they don't have any candles. And this is the theme I'm going with. So can put these too. You guys will see that the next time I clean my dining room. Okay. I purchased sharpeners. No, another thing for you. This is not for me. Hello?
I already have a sharpener.
No, but I bought this for you, so we're going to put this over here in your pile, okay? So he has 2 sharpeners because he never knows where his sharpeners are, and it's just driving me crazy. Oh, something else for Noah.
Oh.
Erasers, because he always needs to erase. So I purchased him some eraser. So I'm going to put this in your pile again. So we have 3 things in your pile. Crayons. Oh, Daddy, who did I buy these crayons for? Who? Why did I buy you crayons? Oh, for your work in school, right? Because you need crayons. Okay, so put that in your pile as well. There are pencils. No, who did I buy these pencils for? You? So this is something else that's going in his pile. Okay, so I purchased this wide angle. It's like a wide angle. It clips on. It goes on your smartphone, and it makes it wide angle because we're doing a challenge later.
Yes, it's gonna be movie challenge.
And we want to see the whole family, and I'm gonna shoot it from my phone. So we bought this. I bought this. I bought jumbo crayons because the baby loves to color. So, and I want his stuff separate. I bought these alphabet cards for my class. A's for apple, big A, little A. Yes, this is what I use for my classes. And then when I was looking on YouTube, I seen another teacher, she had to do with numbers, and I don't have any cards with numbers, so I purchased the flashcards with numbers. I purchased these bath toys because my girls get in a tub. So they're really gonna enjoy these little bubble duckies. Aren't they cute? Those are so cute. I bought some glue sticks for my upcoming project that I have, and yeah, I needed glue sticks for my glue gun. And that I bought these. I bought pacifiers. Listen, I used to breastfeed my daughter, and I've been weaned her off. I think I weaned her off when she was like 13 months or 14 months. I've been weaned her off, but she wants to suck on me. So that's why I bought these pacifiers, because I have hickeys and everything all over me, and and then she like digs in my chest, and she's just something else. And this is all recent. I can see she did this right after. She did this recent. Let me cut off the wiper blades. It's raining outside, guys. That was that noise. I'm sorry. So I bought these because I want to put my diplomas inside. So I bought this for my bachelor's degree, and then I bought one for my associate's degree, and then I have to find my high school diploma. So I'm gonna just pack them all up and then have them somewhere really, really nicely. Yeah. This is the board that I bought for my project that I'm going to be doing. Sorry, you guys can't even see me. This is the board. I am going to take these roses and I am going to put them on the board to make like a flower board. Like my sister, she did this already, but she's like really fancy. She went to Home Depot and got real wood. But listen, that's not me.
That's
so
too much.
that is too much. Okay, so I bought flowers. I think that concludes my Dollar Tree haul. I bought a bunch of flowers. I bought 60 flowers, guys. Hopefully that is enough. I wanted to do all white, but I figured I'll put it over my daughter's bed. Speaking of my daughter's bed, this mattress, I'm on my way to Walmart because this mattress is going back. This mattress was $60. It's not even like it's a Sealy's or something. It's just a plain old baby mattress for $60. And they had one for $30. So I'm like, why did I pay $60? Like, and you know I'm all about saving my coins. So I will be taking this back, and I will be most likely. I'm probably not gonna get a refund. I'm probably just gonna do like a exchange for something else. But in the meantime, in between time, let us count Noah's stuff.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Noah left with 5 things. Hello.
but the rest of the things are the same.
Come up here. Come up here. Let me give you your things. Let me put his stuff in a bag. You have to be grateful. So you thinking you didn't get anything, and you got how many things?
5.
Huh?
5.
Yes, you have 5 things.
Okay.
So these are the things. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey. Okay, get back in your seatbelt. So are you still mad that you didn't get anything?
No.
So do you want your comics now?
Yeah.
That's not a nice attitude to have anyway. Just because you feel like you didn't get anything.
I have 6 things then.
Yes, exactly. It's 6 things, including the comics. Here, make sure you strap yourself in. Take the whole thing.
No, I was taking that up, but
So off to Walmart.
bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it. Even thumbs it down. Like any kind of thumbs up, thumbs down, my video gets more recognized and people get to see it more. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.
And share with others.